Pure technical analysis is not enough to be profitable in trading. Just looking at the charts is not enough to be a competent, successful trader. We are looking at Market Wizards by Jack Schwager, and I'm on my favorite trader, Richard Dennis, his chapter. If you don't know, Richard Dennis turned $400 into $200 million in 19 years. 100% a year. Really insane. That's doubling. It's crazy power. Now, some people argue, well, Richard Dennis was a day trader earlier in his career, and that's true, but he wasn't a chart day trader. He didn't look at charts. He was a pit day trader. So just a little bit of trading history. In the pre-digital era, day traders would go, and potentially swing and position traders, they'd go down into a trading pit where a group of people are bartering, they're yelling buys and sells. It's really crazy. And I honestly wish that I could have been there. As a former competitive card player, the idea of playing in person where you can read tells, like I was better in person than online because I could read tells, which is the point that I'm going to give you here. If you ever play poker, you understand there's a difference between live poker and online poker, and when you're just trading online, there's a potential edge that you're missing out on. So he says, the judgments you make looking at prices on the screen aren't as good as those made in the pit watching what is going on. In the pit, there are indicators that you learn subconsciously, like these three guys are never right in market turns. So something that I've added into my own trading, and for MTP, is entirely systematic, but I sprinkle in asset selection, which is based on fundamentals, which is based on reading the room, and the truth is I play around with things a little bit, especially at market tops, for instance, which saves money. For instance, this guy always posts Bitcoin to the moon right before a massive sell-off. Like that's his three guys in the pit. I've noticed this guy is a tell. He's always going to message me about Bitcoin right before it's going to sell off, right as a high point. Or understanding social fundamentals. Now, that's one of the things, but there's also all kinds of archaic data I've talked about, like hedge funds will use satellite data on parking lots to evaluate the earnings of Walmart or Target before it's public information. So there's a lot of things that aren't happening on the chart. And if you think you're just going to trade on the chart, you have a very big disadvantage. There's social, there's obscure data, and there's other things. So anyways, if you want to trade our system, which it's very simple, and it combines chart trading with some basic fundamentals, just comment MTP down below, and I'm going to send you a free demo on it so you can evaluate it. The system itself is not free, but information is free. Aloha.